Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes in the world of UX UI designer. Ever wondered what UX UI designer does all day? Let's find out. My day usually starts around 11 am and first thing first checking emails, Slack messages and creating your to-do list. It's all about staying organized, especially when you're juggling between tasks and deadlines.
We work in sprints, so morning often involves planning sessions, a quick catch-up meetings with developers, project managers, and fellow designers. Collaboration is key in this field.
After meetings, it's time to dive into design. Whether it's designing prototype, wireframes, building design systems, or refining user flow. I always keep my research in handy in case to make sure that I'm aligning with problems and solving problems with empathy.
Taking a break is super important. Gotta rest those eyes. I love using this time to find inspiration, whether it's from the nature, art, or other designers online. Design is never done in isolation. I regularly seek feedback from my team and run user tests to see how real people are interacting with my design. It's all about iterating based on what we learn. As the day winds down, I review what I have accomplished and plan for tomorrow. Every day is different, and that's what makes UX UI design so exciting.
Before I sign off, let's answer some of the most asked questions about UX UI designing. If you're curious what goes into work, this is for you.
What inspired you to become a UI UX designer?
I have been always fascinated by how people interact with technology. The idea that design can solve real life problems and make people's life easier really inspired me. I love combining creativity and empathy to build better solutions that matters.
What are the most important skills for a UI UX designer?
Empathy is number one. You truly need to understand your users, whether it's research, problem solving, or to communicate with your users. And of course, design skills are mandatory.
What does your design process looks like?
My design process usually starts with research and understanding the users. After that, I move on to iterate, to build rough wireframes and prototype. And then moving forward, gathering the feedback and testing it, and then creating a proper hi-fi design. And then testing is the ongoing process.
What's the difference between UI and UX design?
UI is about how the product looks, visual design, layout, typography, colors. UX is more about how the product works and feels, how it can make your feel and product easy to use, its overall experience. UI and UX work hand in hand to build great products.
How do you handle feedbacks or criticism on your designs?
I see feedback as an opportunity to improve. I understand them and try to understand their reasoning behind the suggestions. It's all about to keep your mind open and to understand. And also, most importantly, it's all about making product better.
How do you stay updated with design trends and best practices?
I follow design blogs and try to connect with other designers on LinkedIn and try to experiment new tools and techniques which are coming in the market.
What's the most challenging part of your job?
Balancing user needs with business goals can be tricky. Sometimes you have to make tough decisions and compromises, but it's also what makes the work interesting and rewarding.
Do you have any advice for someone going to start a career in UI UX design?
Start by learning the basics of design. Google UX course is a great way to start, and YouTube has plenty of free resources to get you started. Build your portfolio by connecting with people on LinkedIn, picking real projects and redesigning them. Always stay curious and don't hesitate to seek feedback. Design is always evolving and keep the learning along the way.